Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the blazer closely. Fabric and label tell you what cleaning is safe. Remove lint and crumbs with a soft brush. Quick action prevents set stains. If you see oil or fresh spill, dab and treat with the appropriate solvent right away. Don't rub. Choose a wide, shaped hanger and button the top button so the shoulders keep their form. Once done, hang it in a ventilated area for 24 hours before moving into long-term storage. Now you focus on deeper care. Steaming is gentler than dry pressing and restores drape. Use a pressing cloth to avoid shine. Make a rotation plan so you never wear the same blazer 2 days running. Fibers need rest to recover shape and breath. Store each blazer in a breathable garment bag. Add cedar blocks or lavender sachets to deter moths and keep a fresh scent. Make sure to leave space between items so air circulates and wrinkles don't set. Finish by preparing blazers for whatever comes next. Before seasonal storage, clean and fully dry each piece, then wrap in cotton or muslin and store in a cool, dry place away from sunlight. Check hems, buttons, and linings. Fix small problems now to avoid bigger repairs later. If shoulders slump, insert lightweight padding or reblock the jacket gently on a hanger. When problems are beyond your tools, take it to a tailor promptly so wear won't worsen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.